Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a social media calendar in Canva. So if you're tired of waking up and wondering what should you post today, so it's time to get organized, and here I'm going to show you the easiest way to build a complete social media calendars using Canva's powerful and free tools. So what you need to do is just open your Canva, whether it's on mobile or web, and then you can just search for the templates. You can just write the keyword social media calendar. Okay, this one you can just click on the options and just wait. Now you can just browse the templates in here. You can see there will be lots of options. You can see for example, I'm going to just use this one because it is colorful and also it has like image to make it easier for you to see the calendar and the photo. You can just hit on the template and it will be open automatically. Okay, so as you guys can see, it is in the worksheet format, so you can easily export it as Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, and you can also open it on the other apps. And in here you can just uh, modify the content descriptions, the names, channel, and also of course the photo. You can change with your own photo, and in here you can see there will be the status. You can easily check whether it's approved, in progress, or declined, and also the due date and publish date in here. So it's already in the format. You can just modify it with your own text, and it will make your work easier. And here you can export it as, you can click on download first. You can download as a CSV. This is suggested one, the suggested format, but you can also download it as Excel's Microsoft Excel spreadsheet files in here. So just choose which one that's convenient for you. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below, and I'll see you on the next videos.